Hi, my name's Liam from Broadcast Radio. I'm here today at Hessel High School with the NxGen group to deliver a masterclass. We'll be running through the class today talking about money, people, attitude and marketing, hopefully inspiring the young people here to look at business as an opportunity and an option for them moving forward.
When I left school, I didn't have these things that we've got here today, the entrepreneurial days that we create with the NxGen from FEO, and it's an absolutely great concept. Kids get to learn about setting up their own businesses and becoming successful.
The NxGen Day that we deliver is made up of 4 masterclasses. And so we've got attitude, we talk about people, we talk about marketing and all about the money. And then we get the students to put them together and come up with a business idea. And they market it, they deliver it, and at the end it's a big presentation and then they win prizes.
Education is key, and educating people on setting up their own businesses is an absolute outstanding thing. The kids will really enjoy today. We'll talk about loads of different things and give them a couple of little nuggets where they can go away and then try to set up their own businesses, and it's an absolutely fantastic day for them to be part of.
In the day, you create your own business about a product that you make up and then present it to everybody else that's here, which teaches you a lot about leadership and communication. So it's a good experience.
So basically today we've just been looking at different types of ways to market and sell and produce business ideas, and just basically overall being creative with what we're doing and saying.
During the day we've been planning a business, and we've used different sectors to explore stuff like marketing and what factors we'll need to create our business. And it's just been really good.
Because we all had loads of ideas this morning and we couldn't really think of which one to do, and we kept thinking that we wouldn't be able to find one in time. And then we found an idea and worked with it, so the positive attitude helped.
Different people who own their own businesses have come in and just talked to us about how we can create our own business and about how basically easy it can be if you just put the right work into it and have the right mindset in able to do that. And it is really interesting, so you do get to talk to people on a different level as well, which is another great enjoyment.
You get to learn what being an entrepreneur is like, how to do it, why it's good. You can work whenever you want, you choose when to work. It's brilliant, but yeah, I loved it.
My name's Laura Clayton and I'm Curriculum Leader for Business and IT here at Hessel High School. I would highly recommend the FEO Next Generation Day, as it's a fantastic opportunity for students to get a little bit out of their comfort zone, but also to find out about the fantastic opportunities that being an entrepreneur and working in business can provide for them. All of our students who've took part in the event over the years have really enjoyed it, and it's such a worthwhile opportunity for them. The volunteers are absolutely fantastic. They lead the day, they take part in all of the activities, and they are absolutely amazing in being able to inspire our next generation of young people.
But really the ethos of the day is to encourage all the students that take place to have some fun, to think outside the box, come up with a business idea that you never know might be the next business to make the next million.
Everyone was really genuine and really nice, so it was quite good.
Yeah, it's been fun, I've enjoyed it.
It was very fun, better than being in lessons.